Bright Duty. Every student matters.
Hello students. In this lecture we will be discussing the important questions for the second topic of this chapter. So the first question is, how was petroleum produced? 3-mark question. Here, as there was a story for coal, there is a story for petroleum as well. So in this answer you basically write that the dead remains of living organisms such as animals. We are here talking about animals, and they got buried under the sea, right? It was formed from organisms living in the sea. As these organisms died, their bodies settled at the bottom of the sea and got covered with layers of sand and clay. Over millions of years, absence of air, high temperature and high pressure transformed the dead organisms into petroleum and natural gas. So this is the story of petroleum, how petroleum got formed. List down some features of petroleum. First of all, it is a dark, oily liquid. It has an unpleasant smell. And it is a mixture of petrol, diesel. It is the mixture of petrol, diesel, petroleum gas, lubricating oil and paraffin wax. Alright. What is refining of petroleum? Because here only the definition has been asked. So the definition is the process of separating the various constituents or fractions of petroleum is known as refining. It is carried out in a petroleum refinery. Simple. This is a 1-mark question. Petroleum is called as black gold. Why? Because of its extensive use. Right? Petrochemicals are used in the manufacture of detergents, fibers like polyester, nylon, acrylic, all the synthetic fibers, polythene and other man-made plastics. Hydrogen gas obtained from natural gas is used in the production of fertilizers. Due to its great commercial importance, petroleum is called as black gold, and also for transportation in automobiles basically. In automobiles also we use petroleum as the fuel. So petroleum has a major importance. That is why we call it as the black gold as well. Alright. And the last question is again on the uses of petroleum. The uses of petroleum we have just discussed. You will be mentioning all the uses of petroleum. Alright. So this was the lecture in which we discussed the second topic, the questions related to the second topic.